Marlo. Today we're going to replant a pepper plant. First you need a shovel and make a big circle around your plant. Now that we've dumped the plant, we gotta pull it out. Make sure you see the roots. Now you need to get compost. You only need 1/3 of compost. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of potting soil about halfway up. You can also use your hands, but you might not, so your hands don't get dirty. Now we're gonna mix it up. After you mix it up, you can put the plant in. Then you're gonna add more potting mix around it. Make sure you put all the roots inside. And be careful so you don't break one. Soil in, you gotta pat it down good so it doesn't fall. Then you gotta get some water. Then you add a little bit of water. That is how you replant a pepper plant. Make sure to like and subscribe. To learn more, you should check out my other video about composting.